Hi, my name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, coming to you answering the most commonly asked questions on the internet about divorce. And this one is, what percentage of people regret divorce? I don't know the direct answer to that, to be honest with you. I've heard that it's, 30 to 40%, but I don't know if that's accurate. So this is the way I'm going to answer this question. There's some research out there. It's fairly well documented research and replicated research that finds that people who are married and thinking about getting divorced, contemplating divorce, but don't actually get divorced. Okay, so the researchers go to those types of people and say, how do you feel about your marriage right now? And they say, not real great because I'm thinking about getting divorced. And then they come to them 5 years after they decide not to get divorced. They decide to stay together. And then they ask them, how is your marriage now? How do you feel about your marriage? And about 90% of those people who decided to stay married were happy or very happy in their marriage. And these are the people that were really seriously contemplating divorce. So what that tells me is that people who actually pull the trigger and get divorced, there's a pretty strong likelihood that if they had stayed married 5 years from that point, they actually would have been pretty happy. Now, some of them obviously would not have. There's domestic violence or infidelity, these sorts of things, completely justifiable, right? Like, you just got to get out. But don't pull the trigger that quickly, all right? Try everything you possibly can to stay married if you're not in an abusive situation. And you're likely, if you stay together, you're likely going to be pretty happy, 3 years, 5 years on. But, that's hard. Like, that takes a lot of work to get to that point. But that's what marriage is work. Kids are work, marriage is work. Everything that is worth anything in this life is work. All right. Now, if you've made the decision that you need to get divorced, we'll help you out with that. You can give us a call. Brown Family Law, 801-685-9999. Thank you.